Hello and welcome to my recap for my trade on Microsoft yesterday, Wednesday, December 10th. Now, I have not been trading the last few days for the reason FOMC was yesterday. And RVOL was very low. I will trade FOMC weak if RVOL is decent. Per my rules, I need 80% RVOL or more. Relative volume, when it's low, we get very, very choppy markets. And from experience, I just don't like trading when RVOL is low. However, Microsoft was showing higher RVOL yesterday because there was a sell-off in pre-market. So there's a sell-off at the open. I've mapped out an opening range over here, and I had 30-minute liquidity already on my chart. Let's go back. We see from a few days ago there was a lot of buying over here, so there are some stops right below here, and this is a recent low. I will zoom in to the 5-minute time frame. You're going to see I already have the trade mapped out there. So did something I don't usually do. I was out. I usually walk away from the computer at 11 a.m. I was actually out yesterday, but I had set an alert on TradingView. I wanted to know if Microsoft came back into this area. I wanted to know if there was going to be a rejection of that area. And that's what I was banking on. So I got the alert right around this area. Once it came back in, I don't remember exactly what it was, probably 482. Got the alert and I grabbed my phone and looked at the chart. I could tell that we were rejecting here on the 5-minute. So I went on to the 1-minute and started looking at these different candles. So there's the rejection. And there's my entry. Let's zoom in here a little bit. So let's just do this. There you go. So that was the entry candle right here on the 1-minute. We've got a few fair value gaps on the 1-minute. They're not the most reliable. I don't usually use them, but they are fun for confirmation. There was my entry, just below candle right here. My stop was above the high of where we retested. And my take profit was 3R away. So let me continue playing and I will pause the video. Okay, there you go. Actually, I'll show you because you don't see my entry on here. I always like showing where it was on the actual trade. So there's my entry on Microsoft. There was my take profit right there. So entry below the break of this bearish candle after the retest. The stop was above the level here. If it took me out, it would have been -1R. I took profit at +3R. And yes, the stock kept on going. It made its way to this zone of liquidity over here before reversing. So +3R winner on Microsoft.